The black cat is the school chef, cooking meals for the kittens daily.
Here, have a bite, little one.
Tastes amazing.
Everyone loved the meal and ate plenty.
Huh?
The kitten's stomach hurts badly and it can't hold it in. Oh no, all the kittens have diarrhea.
Ugh, it smells terrible. Huh?
The kitten saw the chef making food with dirty ingredients and quickly recorded it.
Huh?
Hey, where do you think you're going?
The kitten quickly ran and played the video for everyone. Because he was caught, the chef's anger boiled over.
Hello, police, help us.
Stay where you are and put your hands up.
Huh?
Freeze, you're under arrest.
The kitten hurried to catch the bus as it began to rain. The kitten caught the bus, but the driver hesitated to let it on because the kitten was soaked.
Fine, get in. Don't make the bus wet.
The kitten sat quietly, but everyone avoided it. They started throwing trash at the poor kitten.
Huh?
Suddenly, the driver looked ahead in shock.
Oh no, what do I do?
Oh no, a landslide blocked the road ahead. The bus lost control, speeding dangerously.
Huh?
The driver passed out, leaving no one to steer.
I'll take over.
The kitten grabbed the wheel and steadied the bus. It saved everyone, earning their cheers and gratitude. After enjoying the tasty fried egg Dad Cat made, the kitten cheerfully waved goodbye and headed off to school.
Bye-bye, Dad.
Suddenly, a swarm of glowing crabs scurried across the road, startling the bus driver. In a flash, the bus crashed and plunged into the water below.
Everyone, stay seated. Don't panic.
Huh?
The glowing crabs crawled onto the bus and attacked the driver. The bus transformed into a monstrous, roaring creature and began chasing the frightened kitten.
Somebody help me.
There's a giant monster. We need backup immediately.
Mom, I got 100 marks.
Wow, Max, that's amazing.
Thanks, Mom.
Mom, I got 50 marks.
What? Only 50 marks?
I did my best.
This isn't your best. It's unacceptable. Go to your room and study.
Why does Mom always get angry at me?
Max, here's your gift for scoring 100 marks.
Wow, Mom, you're the best.
Mom, do I get a gift too?
Did you score 100 marks?
No.
Then no gift for you.
Why doesn't Mom love me?
Mom, can you make pizza for me?
Of course, Max.
Mom, I want to eat pizza too.
Make it yourself. I don't have time for this.
Why doesn't Mom love me the way she loves Max? I'll work hard and score 100 marks next time, so she'll love me too.
I'm feeling sick. Max, could you take me to the hospital? Max?
Can't you see, Mom? I'm busy right now.
I think I'll have to go on my own.
Huh? Is that Mom? Oh no, Mom, don't worry. I'll keep you safe.
How did I end up here? Jake? Jake! Jake, wait!
Mom?
Jake, why are you walking away?
I thought you still don't love me. That's why I was walking away.
I'm sorry, Jake. I know I haven't been a good mother.
No, Mom, you're doing your best. You're a good mother.
The cat couple dances joyfully on the yacht. Suddenly, the husband cat shoves the wife cat into the sea.
Mom! Dad, what did you do?
Son, it was an accident. I didn't mean to.
No, you're lying! I saw you push her! I'll never forgive you!
Son, meet your new mother.
I don't trust her. Something feels wrong.
As soon as Father Cat left, stepmother scolded the kitten and made it do all the housework.
One day I'll bring Mom back. I'll become strong enough to protect her.
"10 years later, the kitten is now a brave police officer. He finally found his mother in a small village and brought her home. Father Cat is stunned to see Mother Cat walk into the house.
I know the truth now. You pushed Mom into the sea just so you could marry her.
Son, it's not true.
Stop lying. I also know that stepmother has been cheating on you. Here's the proof.
Finally, Father Cat and Stepmother Cat faced the consequences of their actions.
Let's head to school.
The kitten saw an ice cream truck on the street.
Hey, do you want this yummy ice cream?
The evil dog secretly poisoned the ice cream and handed it to the kitten. In class, the kitten started feeling sick.
Kitten, are you okay?
The teacher quickly called an ambulance. The kitten was badly poisoned and taken to the hospital right away. The doctors did everything they could to help the kitten. Thankfully, the kitten recovered and told the police about the evil dog.
I didn't do anything.
Kids, always be careful and never accept anything from strangers. The abandoned kitten roamed, searching for food. It had no choice but to eat scraps to survive.
The grilled chicken smells amazing.
Hello, police! There's a thief here.
Hey, stop right now.
No way. No!
To its misfortune, the kitten was caught and arrested.
Hello, kid.
The kitten ended up locked with bullies.
Move faster. The other side is still a mess. Do it faster.
Wait, what's this? A tunnel? Aha.
Finally, the kitten managed to escape through the tunnel. But now the kitten has lost its way.
Oh my gosh. Poor baby. Hi, sweetie.
What are you up to, son?
Nothing, Dad.
The kitten covered the chair in glue.
The veggies are ready. Huh? What on earth?
The father cat unknowingly sat on the sticky chair.
I'll help you, Dad. Oh no.
The father cat got angry and scolded the kitten.
Can't you find a better game? Just sit still.
So boring.
The kitten spotted something. His father had forgotten his phone, so he secretly ordered a candy truck.
Anyone home?
Wait a moment.
The father cat opened the door, unaware of what was happening.
What in the world?
Sorry, Dad.
You're getting a lesson today.